We happy? Vincent? We happy?
Yeah, we happy.
Hello everyone and welcome to Action RPG. I'm your host Aaron, and for today's video we're headed to the world of my new PC build. I can feel the energy in the air. It has been months and months of me talking about the acquisition of PC components, and I've had every component for weeks now with the exception of one. And as you can see on the screen right now, all the pieces have now been captured and I am ready to create my new studio. I keep revising the studio and upgrading the studio, and hopefully we will be at a place where I am happy, because this will be the third computer that I have now built. I built one, that ended up going to the wife. I built another one. I ended up piecing that out during the COVID times because I made a profit on that computer. And then I built another one, which is the one I'm currently using. And the one that went to my wife is now went to my son. So now this one goes to the wife, and then this new one comes to me. So everyone is happy. Now that last piece of the puzzle, what I've been waiting for months, is this. The Big Daddy Gigabyte Windforce 4090. Ooh. Yes. And today we are gonna unbox this video card, see what's inside, and then we're gonna play a little game. What's bigger, or I guess smaller, than a 4090? Let's do it. I cannot believe how excited I am for this. Okay, 4090 Gigabyte Windforce. It's opened. By the way, this is my workbench. My normal desk is in front, and got some space in here. You hear it? All right. Ta-da! Put this aside. We'll look at that later. Not very good. And grab all you little things. What is this stuff? We'll look at it all. Oh, I know what it is. Arrgh. Anything else in there? All right, get out of here, box. That right there is a Gigabyte 4090 Windforce. And when I went to purchase this card, I woke up early. I made sure I was refreshing my page. I had Newegg up, and I had Best Buy up, and I had Amazon up. And the second it went live, I tried to grab one card, sold out. Tried to grab a second card, it was sold out. At that point, there was only one left. This card. And one thing is true, beggars can't be choosers. So I snagged it, and literally within 30 seconds, gone. Every single card on Amazon, Best Buy, and Newegg sold out. And now everybody's camping outside Best Buy to try and get one. So here it is. Very nice. This is a non-bling version, which again, I'm okay with. No big deal. This case is going to have plenty of bling. Now, what comes with this? We've got this, this, and these little posts. And what this is are the support brackets for the card. These cards weigh so much that you actually need to support them inside of the PCI Express slot. It's nice that it comes with it though. We also have our little dongle, and you actually need to use 4 power connectors. 4. So one will go into the card right here. And you need 4 to power it. What else do we got in here? So excited to build this computer. And in this, we have graphics card quick guide. And we have a support bracket, how it works. Not a lot of information. So that is the card. Now, we get to play a game because this camera, it just doesn't do it from a scale perspective. You're probably looking at this and thinking, Aaron, this is not that big. So I brought a couple items with me so we can compare how big a 4090 is. Is a 4090 as wide as an action RPG hat? It's a full-size hat. This thing's pretty wide. Let's see. I think the card is wider. Okay, this is a full-size hat. It's a pretty big video card. Okay, let's get the hat out of there. You go there. Funko Pop. My Doc Holiday. Everyone knows the size of a Funko Pop box. How tall is the 4090? Oh, the Funko box top is about 1/4 of an inch taller. Okay, moving on to the next item. My shoe. Not particularly huge feet. Not that it matters. Size 10. There's a shoe. Size 10 behind this video card. Maybe this will add some perspective. You could see the card on this end, and you could see the card on this end. And it's a high top. That's a pretty big shoe. Okay. But how tall is this card? Aaron? Better hold it because I don't want to drop it. Now I got a couple items here for this. My daughter wanted me to use her plushie avocado. And guess what? The avocado is just not tall enough. She's gonna be mad if she sees me throwing it. So we have one last item to compare. Is it bigger than full size pineapple with the like leaves or stem or whatever they're called? You see this, right? Full-size pineapple. This is the, look at how small the pineapple looks. It, yes, beats it out, but if I shaved these off, no way. This card is absolutely mammoth. That's the video. Quick and easy. My new build's coming. And it'll be the 3rd time that I'm attempting it. I'm gonna do a time-lapse build video. So I'll get all the parts out, I'll put it all together, time-lapse it, try and string it together so you can see me put together this new marvel of mine. And then we're gonna do a Be Quiet 802 case review. So lots of content coming. I hope you enjoyed this 4090 Gigabyte Windforce unboxing video and you liked the little game we played. Is it bigger? And yes, that's what she said. That's all I've got. hit that red subscribe button, and check out the Patreon. Thank you all for the support, and I will see you all later.